Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the app and locating the text you want to style. Tap and hold, then drag the blue handles to select a word, sentence, or paragraph. This gives the editing focus you need. Once selected, look for a contextual menu with format or BIU, bold, italic, underline options depending on the app. Make sure to use Select All when you want consistent styling across a whole note or document before moving to the formatting controls. Once done selecting text, tap the Format or A icon. This opens typography controls. You can change font family, size, and weight. Choose a larger size or a boldface to increase emphasis, or pick a color to signal importance. For alignment and spacing, adjust left/center/right and line spacing to improve readability. If you're in Pages, use Style presets to keep consistency. In Notes, use rich text for simpler changes. Make changes and preview them immediately, so you can confirm visual impact. Finish by tapping Done or simply tapping away from the menu to apply your new style. You should see the updated font, size, and color instantly. If not, use Undo to revert and try a different combination. Make sure to save or export the document if required. If formatting options are missing, check for an iOS update or open the file in Pages or Microsoft Word, since richer tools live there. That usually restores the missing controls and solves compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.